Not even once, you'll never hear him touching the Holy Spirit. For this is a spirit that is cast, and it is cast for two missions. The first mission, it is confusion. Number two, it is cast for division. Arguments are heated. Today, the pastors, go listen to the pastors in social media. I was saying to my wife the other day, confusion and division. Go now on social media platforms and go check the pastors. They're on loggerheads, they're on each other's throats. Because the spirit is prevailing. It is bringing. Let the sevens are so. I phone you once why my man, when you guys are attention, it is caught you. It's a joke. You laugh about it. Before that is caught you.